Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can allow certain channels on YouTube Kids. So if you want to customize your child's YouTube Kids experience, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can allow specific channels so your little one can enjoy safe and age-appropriate content. So here, what you need to do is open the YouTube Kids app on your device. And after that, you can go to profile, and here go to the parent settings, click on this gear icon and enter your passcode. Okay, so once you've entered the YouTube Kids setting, you can just choose the kids profile that you want to customize. If you have more than one, click on the profile, and in here you need to enter your Gmail password that you are using to log in to YouTube Kids. So tap on next, and once you sign in here, you can just scroll down on the kids profile, and under the content settings in here, you can tap on edit settings. So to choose only specific channels, you can just change the settings into this one, approve content yourself. Click on this. So by choosing that, your child will only be able to watch videos, channels, or collection that you've approved. So you can select the channel by yourself, tap on select, and in here you can just choose the collection or the channel that you want your kids watch. Here you guys can see there are 20 channels, 10 channels in here. So I'm going to go with this one, learning. So click on this plus icon to select the channel. You can see now it has been saved on my collection. Music, here I'm going to also click on this plus and plus again. And once you're done, you can just tap on done. And that's it. So now your kids will only watch the channels or shows that you approve by yourself. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.